Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Volvo XC60 vs Jeep Grand Cherokee, which is better. Follow along and rate which aspects matter most to you as I walk through comfort, seating, cargo space, ergonomics, and daily usability. I will highlight real differences you feel behind the wheel and what owners report about long-term comfort. Toward the end, I'll summarize who wins for families, commuters, and outdoorsy drivers in simple, clear terms. I'll explain how powertrains and chassis tuning shape the driving experience so you know what to expect on highway runs and twisty roads. We'll compare acceleration, braking feel, steering feedback, and how each car behaves with passengers or cargo aboard. I'll also touch on real-world fuel use and maintenance implications so you can weigh operating costs alongside raw performance when choosing between the two. Before we continue, please subscribe and like if you're finding this helpful because it really supports the channel. Quick recommendation. Bento Box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I used during road tests. Great for trunk snacks and longer drives. See the link in the description for details and deals. Thanks for checking those out. Now let's get back to the video. I'll review the safety systems and tech features that matter most for daily driving and family trips, focusing on real usability rather than marketing blurbs. Expect clear explanations of driver assists, crash avoidance tools, interface quirks, and connectivity options, plus how they perform in real conditions. I'll also discuss maintenance, warranty considerations, and typical repair costs so you can balance tech benefits with long-term ownership realities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.